Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you the setup procedure for the 3113 heat conduction lab. So as you can see, we're at one of the we're in the pilot lab at one of the lab stations. And here we have a power supply. On here we have the computer with the VI open. And then we actually have an aluminum sample here with the control box. Looking specifically at the control box, we have numbered K-type thermocouples that correspond to different points actually inside the heat conduction sample. Along with that, we have a water supply that's circulating a cooling section on the aluminum sample with a send and receive water supply. Once you have actually the water supply plugged in, you have the thermocouples plugged in to their corresponding ports. They're all numbered nicely. What you'll need to do is come over to the power supply and have a look at what voltage you want to run. So for this sample, we're going to run it at 30 volts. And then to make sure that you know what amps you're going to be running the sample at, you'll just quickly turn on and turn off the power supply. What that does is it'll show you what kind of amps the heat conduction sample is drawing, and then once you have that value, you can actually plug that into the naming convention of your text file. So once you have that all set up and ready to go, you should be good to run the actual VI. I've already started it running, so you can see that there is some thermal data being recorded. But with that, that's the setup procedure.